In this video, I'm going to discuss the mathematical term absolute value. Now, absolute value is not to be thought of in the same way as a regular number. We're not talking about integers or long numbers or anything like that. We're talking about distance. And what is that distance? It is the distance that the number is away from the number 0. 0 is the center point, okay? And if you'll take a look at this arrow down here, you'll see a great big arrow line, and you'll see the number 0 right at the center. The 0 will always be at the center. So what you're doing is you're telling everyone how far away a particular number is from the number 0. It's just like if you had a train. Let's say you had a train track and you had two trains going in two opposite directions. Absolute value would actually say, alright, train A is a certain distance from the center point, which is 0, and train B is another distance away from the center point, which is also 0. Okay? So just think of 0 as an absolute point on the earth, and what you're doing is you're telling everybody how far away the trains are from that absolute point of 0. Okay? So, in the first case, you have the number 3. So the absolute value of 3 is 3 positions away from the number 0. So the absolute value of 3 is 3. But what about negative 5 here? Okay, negative 5 is 5 positions away from 0. So the answer to the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. I know that sounds silly, but it's true. Just remember that the absolute value of a number is always going to be positive, regardless if the number itself is negative. Okay? So that should help you out real big time. Just remember, if you have the absolute value of a negative number, just change it into a positive number, and boom, you're done. Alright, I will talk about more mathematical terms and computer technology in a future video, so stay tuned.